model, 59 plate Ford Transit 2.4 TDCI 115 bhp T350 Lwb crew cab tipper drives needs clutch repair no VAT. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 192,038. Engine, 2,401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Drives but the clutch is slipping when you give it power, still can be driven away at your own risk thinking face grin abs light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, tipper in working order. Euro status, Euro 4. HPI, Cat N in 2022.